Hello foodies! Today we're making this very delicious meatballs with vermicelli and patola. First things first, we put 1 kilogram ground beef in a bowl, add cracked pepper, some salt, minced onion, 2 eggs, and 2 tablespoons of flour, and then we mix it well. Next is to scoop some meat using a spoon and form it into a ball. Next step is to pan fry the meatballs. We flip to brown the other side. And once done, set aside. In another pan, we saute minced garlic, some onion, and then we saute until the garlic turns a little bit brown. And then we add 6 cups of water. And then we add the meatballs. Cover and cook for 20 minutes. And then we add the vermicelli. We cover it again and cook for a few minutes. And then we add some sliced patola or sponge gourd. Cover and cook for a few minutes, and then we add some cracked pepper and some fish sauce. Cook for a few minutes again, and finally we add some chopped spring onions. And we're done. Thank you guys for watching. Please follow us on our socials and I'll see you on the next. Bye!